Guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to be checking out Simon and Garfunkel, the sound of silence, right? This is really the first time honest reaction. So if you love to check this out with me, please go like, share, subscribe, and let's get right into it.
Because a vision softly creeping left its seeds while I was sleeping, and the vision that was planted
So beautiful, their voice.
brain still remains within the sound of silence. In restless dreams I walked alone, narrow streets of cobblestone, neath the halo of a street lamp. I turned my collar to the cold and damp, when my eyes were stabbed by the flash of a neon light that split the night and touched the sound of silence. And in the naked light I saw
I love their voices. Their voices so deep and unique.
10,000 people made me whole. People talking without speaking, people hearing without listening, people writing songs that voices never share, and no one dared disturb the sound of silence. Fools, said I, you do not know, silence like a cancer grows. Hear my words that I might teach you, take my arms that I might reach you, but my words like silent raindrops fell and echoed in the wells of silence. And the people bowed and prayed to the neon god they made, and the sign flashed its warning in the words that it was forming.
Beautiful,
And the sign
beautiful,
said the words
beautiful
of the
songs,
prophets
beautiful
are
melodies. I
written
so much
on
love
the
it. This is the first
subway
time.
walls.
I think this is the first time I'm listening to this song, Songs of Silence. I think there was a cover by, is it Tommy Johnson or Dan Vax? I think one of them did a cover, but I'm not sure which of them actually did. I love this and I love how calm it is. Imagine being in a room, no light, in the darkness, just listening to this song. You're gonna feel it, right? So let's check out what some of the viewers have to say. This is the best version in my opinion. Well, I have not heard other versions except for the metal. I think I've heard the metal version by, is it Danvax? I think Danvax or Tommy Johnson. I think I've listened to the metal version of Songs of Silence, right? I just want to say that whoever mastered this song in the studio, I salute you for the split vocals. It's beautiful to listen to with headphones. Beautiful, amazing. Blazing in Scarlet Battalions, amazing. This has got to be one of the greatest songs ever written. Thank you, Simon and Garfunkel. Thank you. Songs of Silence, an amazing, powerful song. I prefer this to the latter version with backing musicians, Paul and Art. Harmonies are sublime. Well, I think I do too. This was my grandfather's favorite song, and he would have it on the radio when he could. Oh, oh. My parents played Simon and Garfunkel all the time when I was growing up. This music is literally one of my very first memories. Wow, so many beautiful comments from the viewers, and I think we should check more of them. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.